How to create a Compass High School Zoom account. When you log into your class Zoom meetings, you might notice an error message that looks like this. This is because you are not using a Compass Zoom account, but setting one up is very easy. First, go to compasshighschool.zoom.us. Then, click Sign In so you can configure your account. Finally, log in using your Compass Gmail. Your Gmail should be your first initial and your last name at compasshighschool.com. If you have forgotten your Gmail or your password, please call the front office for assistance. Once you have successfully logged into Zoom, you'll be able to access all of your class meetings anytime just by using your Compass Zoom account. From now on, when you join a class meeting, you will need to use the Zoom application. If you haven't yet downloaded the Zoom application, check out the link in the description. If you try to join a class meeting without using your Compass Zoom account, you will see this error message. Just click Switch Account to Join to log in. That will take you to this sign-in screen. Please click Sign In with SSO. In the new window that appears, type in Compass High School with no spaces, then hit Continue. This will take you to a new window where you can log in using your Compass Gmail account. And that's it. Great work, Gators, and thank you for helping to make this a wonderful school year.